Consider a typical question related to place value. The question goes like this: what is the difference between the place values of two 5s in 5, 3, 4, 5? So we have the given number 5345. So we have to find out the difference between the place values of two 5s. So you see friends, over here we have got two number of 5s, and as already discussed, we move from right hand side and we proceed counting the place values. So here we have got the rightmost place called as ones place. So this is ones, this is tens place, this is hundreds place, and this is thousands place. So my friends, we have to find out the difference between the place values of this 5 and this 5. Now the place value of this particular 5 in the thousands place will be equal to, as already discussed, 5 into 1000. That is equal to 5000. And the place value of this particular 5 will be equal to 5 into 1 because it exists in the place once. So 5 into 1 is 5. Now we have to find out the difference. So which one is the higher number? This one, that is 5000. It exists in higher place value. Now performing the calculation part, the higher number, that is the 5000, which is the place value of the 5 existing in the thousands place, and the 5 existing in the ones place. So this is the place value of that particular 5 existing in ones place, and this is the place value of the 5 existing in thousand place. So 5000 minus 5 will be equal to, I hope you know how to carry out subtraction. 0 minus 5 is not possible, so we are going to carry 1 over here. So 10 minus 5 is 5. So here remains 9. So 9 minus nothing, or 9 minus 0 is 9. Here again 9, as because we have carried forward 1 over here. So here it will be equal to 4995. So the answer is 4995. So which option? So it is option C, 4995. So friends, this is the right answer to this particular question. If our videos and website www.decodmonk.com helped you in any way, you may thank me by subscribing to my channel and clicking the like button. Please remember to share the videos so as to help other fellow students like you. For queries, please comment here or through contact page of our website decodmonk.com. And above all, thank you for your patience.